In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay NYC court fines and fees digitally. With everything moving online, it's become more convenient to handle these payments without having to visit a courthouse in person. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently settle your fines from the comfort of your own home. To get started, you'll need access to the official court payment website. Open a browser on your computer or smartphone and navigate to https://iAppsCourts.state US Payment Services. This is the dedicated platform for handling payments related to New York courts and ensures your information is processed securely. Once you've reached the website, you'll be presented with 3 payment options: criminal, summons, and outside NYC. For the purposes of this guide, we'll focus on the criminal option, which you should select if your fine applies to criminal court cases within New York City. The platform is designed to streamline the payment process for your fines and fees specifically by category, so choosing the correct option is crucial. After selecting criminal, it's time to enter your personal information. Carefully fill in your docket number, which you can find on your court documents along with your date of birth and last name. Accuracy is essential here. Make sure the details match exactly with what appears on your official court documents to avoid any processing hiccups. This step ensures that your payment is correctly associated with your case. Next, you'll have a chance to review your case details. This section allows you to double-check to ensure your name, the specifics of your case, and the required payment amount are all displayed correctly. Taking a moment to confirm these details can help prevent any unintended issues down the line, so make sure everything looks right before proceeding. Now you're ready to make the payment. The website offers several payment methods, including credit or debit cards and e-checks. Choose the payment method that works best for you, and follow the prompts to enter your payment information. This step is straightforward, but make sure to enter your details accurately to avoid any payment failures. Finally, once the payment is processed, it's crucial to save proof of payment. The platform will generate a confirmation receipt which you can download or print for your records. Keeping a copy of this receipt is important as it serves as your official record that the payment has been made successfully. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily pay your NYC court fines and fees digitally. If you have any further questions about the process, be sure to check the FAQ section on the payment website or contact the court directly for assistance.